Hello everyone, it's Lindsay, and today I'm unboxing the new October kit from Felicity Jane. Felicity Jane are probably one of my favorite unboxings to do. I know that it's not for everybody, depending on what projects you do, but there's just something about how girly and beautiful the pieces are from Felicity Jane. So before I jump into the Hanna kit, I did just want to mention Holly. So Holly is going to be the holiday kit. Now, if you are a subscriber to Felicity Jane, you automatically sign up to have automatic withdrawal and you get the kits sent to you. Holly, the December kit, is an extra kit, so that's not part of your subscription. You do have to go on there and grab that separate on its own. And Holly is coming October 17th. I cannot wait. I have seen little sneak peeks of the colors and things from this kit, and I am already obsessed. So there is a little card in your order this month just reminding you about Holly, who is coming. Be sure to follow me over on Instagram at LindseyDecor413, and I will be sharing sneaks and things when this does release, so stay tuned for that. But we are going to be talking about Hanna today. Now, if you're not familiar with Felicity Jane, they are a paper crafting company, and their whole thing, their kind of little, I don't know, unique to Felicity Jane is that each month their kit is based off of a girl. And I'll be honest, I didn't used to always read about the girl in the kit. I was just like, oh, she's cute and the products are cute and I'll work with the products. But I've kind of been more intentional about reading the story behind the girls, and Hanna just speaks to me in so many ways. First off, can we just talk about how adorable she is and her hair? So funny little side story, and I know some of you get annoyed by all my chit chat chatter, so I'll put a timestamp to straight to the unboxing if you want to go straight to that. But I do my hair like this with the little mini bun on top all the time, and my sister teases me relentlessly. She calls me Cindy Lou Who, she calls me Poppy the Troll, and teases me all the time. So as soon as I saw Hanna, I had to message her and tag her and be like, haha, Kimber, look, this is a thing. Girls are wearing their hair like this. So just makes me love Hanna even more. But I popped on over to the Felicity Jane website to read about Hanna, and it says, who is Hanna? The girl who has nothing figured out and everything figured out all at the same time. She doesn't have all the answers. This is her season of change. Each new question and curve in the road a surprise, but she embraces the not knowing and her wild and messy and magical life. Hanna knows that there is beauty in not knowing. There's beauty in waiting and in hoping and in surrender. With a playful shrug, she skips down her path, relishing every scene. She doesn't know the final destination, but she puts one foot in front of the other, growing stronger with every step. It doesn't even matter where she's going. In this moment, in this season, Hanna has everything she needs. Guys, like, I want to cry just reading about Hanna. So surrender was my one little word last year, and I am very much in the midst of a season of change. If you have been watching my videos, it's so funny how different kits from different companies, completely different. Like Felicity Jane is not Bible journaling, even though that's what I like to do with the kits. It's not geared towards Bible journalers. And the way that it is cross paths with my Bible journaling kits, my devotionals, and a retreat that I was at, and just everything kind of coming together in this season of unknowing, this season of change for me, this I don't know, I could just go on like crazy all about how much this just speaks to me. So Hanna is very near and dear to my heart, and for those who maybe aren't in that season, guys, it's just beautiful. Come on. So I'm gonna go ahead and we'll jump in and we'll like take a look at all of the goodies that come from Hanna. Now, you can subscribe to these kits and have them sent to you every month. You can also just pop on and purchase the kit while they're still available, or you can purchase individual pieces of the kit. Maybe you want to buy the kit and you know that there's something you're going to use a lot of, like the alpha stickers or something like that. You can buy those individually, and there are also little bonus goodies, usually traveler's notebook inserts and bow clips and things like that that kind of correspond with the kit also. So what I have here is the entire Felicity Jane Hanna kit for the monthly kit, and let's just start, I don't know, it's also beautiful. Let's start with the stamp set. So you get a 4x6 6x6 clear stamp set. One of the things I love about Felicity Jane is their quality. So the stamps come in these really nice stamp pockets, so you don't even have to rearrange how you're storing your stamps. You can store them directly in these pockets. And look at this beautiful floral piece. I can see this fitting into the margin of your journaling Bible, using it for greeting cards. Maybe you want to make a card set as a gift for somebody. Maybe I'll do a video showing something similar to that as a gift giving idea. This piece is just gorgeous. Embossing it and watercoloring it. I have so many ideas for this big, beautiful piece here. And then you've got Be True to Yourself, Answers, All Part of My Story, this little trio of dots. On My Mind, Okay, Now What? Oh my gosh, I have said that to God about 50 billion times in the last 2 years. Okay, now what? Worry Less, Live More, Questions, Looking Ahead, and then this Nelson Mandela quote that says, may your choices reflect your hopes, not your fears. So love that. And I love pairing the stamp sets with past stamp sets and kind of mixing and matching now that I have a collection kind of going. So there's the stamp set. You've got 4 tulle bows, so I will probably be adding these to paper clips and using them as little paper clip bows on the top of my Bible journaling entries. If you do like framed pieces or like home decor with your kits, these would be great for that. They are pretty, you know, dimensional, so they are gonna add some bulk to your projects, but those are so pretty. Let's see, let's do the washi tape. So you do get a roll of washi tape this month, which is kind of fun. You've got this simple black scallop. I love staple washi tapes. I like to layer washi behind things, so I'd want it to become like a part of my project and not be the standout focal point. So I prefer washis like this that are kind of neutral and just kind of add a little something to my projects. So you've got that. You've got your 3x4 journaling cards. Now these journaling cards all are neutral grid and dot patterns on the back, so you don't have to feel like you're having to choose between the front and the back, and you've got a place to journal. I like to use these as tip-ins and kind of add some more private journaling, even in my traveler's notebook or my mini album when I'm working in it, just using these for some more private journaling spots. Guys, the colors of the colors. So we live in California and we just got our first rain, and I think they said 5.5 months, maybe 7 months. I don't know. It's been forever since we had rain, and it is gloomy in the 60s today. So when I saw this land on my doorstep, first I had to rush out and make sure it wasn't getting wet on my porch, but the colors just so fit where we're falling into fall finally. So be good to yourself. Love the blush and the rose and this like coppery brown color. You've got that floral. This kind of gives you an idea of how to use that stamp set. So if you want to create your own journaling cards, like stamping it off the bottom of a card, it's super cute. And only coloring in parts of it, not all of it, really makes it kind of fresh and fun. This is great for those of you who are listers. You've got this listing card with this teal, and it's like a soft, dusty teal. So pretty. And you've got this one here. You could use, you know, a small photo in there, or frame maybe one of the stamps on the center of there. The Simple Love. This little ombre dot, super cute. This one here, again, you could use maybe Looking Ahead or something like that, stamped in the center of the card there. Tea for Today. Oh, this is cute. It's like a little file tab. So you could even cut the white space off and then have this be like in a pocket. Super cute. And then this is the dots here. Kind of shows you the colors of the kit this month. Really different from some of the things we've seen the last couple months. Finding Beauty in the Mess. Love that. And okay, this is super simple, but probably my favorite card. It is like lined notebook paper. Guys, I need like 50 of these. I need like a pack. Like, come on, Gina. Like, these need to come in like sticky note, a pack of these. Super, super cute. So there are the journaling cards. If you're not a pocket page journaler, don't worry. You can use these as tip-ins in your Bible journaling. I'll sometimes use them as like the focal title of a spread that I'm doing. So there are a lot of different ways that you can use those. Maybe it's one that I'm not going to use necessarily as a card. Sometimes I'll use it as a layering piece behind my photos also. So there's a variety of ways you can use those 3x4 cards. Okay, let's look at these, the Hanna tag book. I use tags and labels all the time. I didn't used to, and then now I've become slightly obsessed. So these are perforated, so you can just tear them off, and you've got all kinds of die cut, so they're nice quality, thick, and this is cream, not true white. I do like that there's a mix of cream and white, so you feel like you can mix the white and cream. You don't have to stick with just white or stick with just cream. I like that. This is really pretty. You could go in and color some of this in with markers if you wanted to. So you've got tons and tons. You've got 16 pieces, it says, of labels and tags. I love the grid pattern in the back of there. So fun. So you've got plenty of those. And again, these you can order individually. So if this is something that you feel like you're going to use a lot of, like I know I will, you can always go back in and order these individually. Let's see here. We've got the epoxy stickers. I love epoxy stickers. We all know these can be kind of pricey to just go out and purchase, you know, a bunch of. So I love that these are included in the kit like this. Oh, and these look super awesome because they are clear around the outside, so they'll just blend right into your layout. So you've got this really cute little bicycle. Remember right now, pause, go with the flow. Love this floral piece. And then the hearts, and this looks like, yes, this has the faux wood grain pattern in it, and then this is a coppery sparkle. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna be needing to find some stickles or something that are copper glitter because that will be awesome to use in the kit this month. So you've got those. You got the epoxy alphabet, and this is in this really soft blush color. Love these, and they do look like they're maybe translucent. I don't know. They'll probably cover Bible text if you put these over Bible text, but they're really soft color, and again with the epoxy style, so that's really fun. And it has this really kind of fun, like handwritten font almost. I don't know, those are cute. I'll probably need more of those. Okay, let's take a look at the die cuts, and then we'll take a look at the papers. Turn this over so they kind of stand out on there. Die cuts, those are new to me probably in the last year or so. I was never really a big die cut user, and then now I've just become utterly obsessed with die cuts. So let's see what we got here. We've got season, again, some more labels, tags. Oh, I love the colors of the kit this month. You've got this striped tag with the scallop. This is adorable. Look, it's a little tag, and it's a copper sparkle, like a copper glitter. I see all of the copper foiling and stickles happening this month. You've got some little dots. These probably came from the centers of these, but I kind of like that they were thrown in there because you can still use those as embellishments also. You've got high. Oh, that's super cute. Bicycle. You've got some florals. These are always some of the first things I use. Either I use them first or I hoard them. That's how the florals usually go for me. So those are fun. Love this tag again with that copper sparkle detail. This is the thing about Felicity Jane. I know that they're a little bit higher price point for their kits, but the attention to detail and the quality is just amazing. I mean, you've got this kind of rose gold coppery foiling, you've got the glitter details, and they're nice, good quality die cuts. It's okay. I love that. You've got Hanna, and we see her a little bit different. So usually the girls are just by themselves. This Hanna girl is with her bicycle with her flowers. So this is a pretty good sized die cut piece, but what a statement piece, super cute. Oh, again with the foil detail and the glitter. I need all the foil and all the glitter in my life. Some more tags, journey season. Again with that stamped off the edge, and then some more florals and hearts. So love, love, love that. Super cute. I might be needing to order an extra set of the die cut pieces because those are just some of my favorite colors. I love that kind of burgundy wine coppery color. Okay, so let's take a look at the papers. We have floral and dot, so you could go in and fussy cut this out if you're kind of intimidated by a pattern like this. You could fussy cut out these florals, and then the back is just a simple dot. Oh, these would be fun to do like watercolor smushes in those dots and kind of add a punch of color to this pattern there. You've got diamonds and stripes. So just a simple blue stripe, and even the branding strips are super beautiful in these kits. Okay, this is the one that caught my eye when I saw the sneaks. So wood grain and scales. Love the texture of that wood grain, and then a black and white scale pattern. And this is another kind of iconic to Felicity Jane, is they usually have like a fun pattern on side A, and then side B is usually black and white or a neutral. So that's kind of nice that they do that. Scallops and tiles, so fun. Really pretty. And then with that floral branding strip. You've got diagonal and window panes, a soft blush diagonal, and then a grid on the back. We all love a grid. Arrows and words, so that kind of ombre with the colors from the kit. And then just the way you are. Love that. What a great piece. I don't do a lot of 12 by 12 scrapbooking, but if you're a 12 by 12er, just adding a photo and some clustering and your page is done. You've got your title, you're good to go. Love that. And then you've got the solids. So you've got the solid rose and blush with the scallop at the bottom, and then that teal or blue, and then a dark blue. Love that. Okay, so I am obsessed. I can't even tell you what my favorite is. I know that I gush over Felicity Jane every month, but it's just like her stuff just speaks to my heart with all the girliness. And Hanna's story is just, I'm all about that this month. So there is a look at everything that comes in the kit this month, so I will have links to those down below for you guys. I did also want to point out one other item that they sent me that you might not know that they carried. So Gina from Felicity Jane, I am on their design team or creative team, and so she sent me one of their traveler's notebooks. I love that they come packaged in like a duster bag, so nice, keeps it nice and protected. And I recently did a Tip Tuesday all about traveler's notebooks and inserts, so I will link that Tip Tuesday down below for you guys. This is one of theirs. This is the Scallop traveler's notebook in the blush pink, and so it does have an elastic closure and this really fun scallop detail. And then on the inside, you actually have 4 bands. So you could pack this full of, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 to 9, 10, 8 to 12 notebooks. I mean, this thing would be fat, but you could probably get 8 to 12 in here if you wanted to. And then you've got pockets, that really pretty neutral dot, and then the gold foil Felicity Jane. And this is a really nice, stiff, cover. I love this. So I might be using this maybe for gratitude documented or something like that. I haven't decided what I'm going to designate this traveler's notebook to. As you know, I have been deconstructing my traveler's notebooks recently into ring-bound traveler's notebooks. So they're not technically traveler's notebooks anymore. They're mini books. So I'll have to figure out what project I want to use this for, but I did just want to remind you that they have these over there, and I will be doing something with this later on this month, kind of prepping it probably for gratitude documented. So I will have these linked down below as well. Those are affiliate links, so I do earn a small commission from Felicity Jane, no extra cost to you, so just heads up on that. Thank you ahead of time for shopping those links. Check out the description box for those links. Leave me any questions or comments down below. What piece are you loving in the kit this month? What's your favorite? Let me know in the comments down below. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoy these unboxings. Subscribe to my channel if you're not already subscribed. Be sure to click on that bell notification button so you don't miss any future videos from me. And until next time, thank you so much. Bye-bye.